This is the This or That Sports TV Manning Cup Awards, where we award the top performers this season. These are the categories and nominees. The first category is the Rising Star Award, where we award the top performing young player of the season. The nominees are Xavier Gooden, St. Andrew Technical High School; DENZEL Washington McKenzie, Mona High; Kevin Hibbert, Haile Selassie High School; Kai Miles, Campion College. The second category is the Goal of the Season Award, given to the best goal scored in the Manning Cup. The nominees are Kevon Wilson versus Haile Selassie; Samuel Shakes versus Charlie Smith; Shaquan Satchel versus Kingston College; and Jaheim Fraser versus St. Andrew Technical High. The next category is the Goalkeeper of this Season Award. This is given to the most outstanding goalkeeper all season. The nominees are Hakeem Bernard, Mona High School; Rasika Rose, Jamaica College; Jaheim Williams, Stats; Kevin Hibbert, Haile Selassie; and Gavin Messam, Jose Marti Technical High School. The fourth category, the Coach of the Season Award, given to the best performing coach this year. The nominees are Craig Butler, Mona High School; Davion Ferguson, Jamaica College; Linval Dixon, Haile Selassie High; Philip Williams, St. Andrew Technical High School; and Raymond Watson, Kingston College. And the big award, the Player of the Season, given to the most valuable player this year. And the nominees are Donhue Mitchell, Mona High School; Dujon Richards, Kingston College; Kevon Wilson, Jamaica College; Romaine Blake, Jamaica College; and Shaquan Satchel, St. Andrew Technical High School. And our special award, the Surprise Team of the Season. The nominees are Campion College, Haile Selassie High School, Jose Marti Technical High School, and Tivoli Gardens High.